Thanks for joining us. For the past 12 years, Surface Savers has been providing our customers with repair options for all types of countertops, including marble, granite, cultured marble, solid surface, and quartz. Today we're going to give you a glimpse into a new application that can be applied to all these surfaces. It's called Tuffskin Surface Protection. Many materials that are out there are higher maintenance than others. Marble, for example, can be slightly higher maintenance. Many of our customers will have us do repairs on an annual basis for that type of repair. It's very known for etching and staining. Tuffskin Surface Protection is the ideal solution for this type of surface. While it can be applied to any surface, marble is quite the ideal surface application. So here's an example of what can happen to a marble surface and what may make it slightly higher maintenance if it's not protected. We have two samples of Carrara marble here. One has not been protected with Tuffskin and the other has been protected with Tuffskin. This will be a great example to see the difference of how it will make it not only stain proof but etch proof with a 10-year warranty. We've applied lemon juice and red wine, everyday household use items. And let's see what kind of effect it has. So first we're going to wipe off the lemon juice off of the non-protected piece. And we'll wipe off the red wine. And as you can see, the unprotected piece has been etched severely by the lemon juice. This has been applied for just a couple minutes. That's all it takes. The red wine has not only etched it slightly, but has also stained the material, so it starts to absorb into the stone. Okay? That's not a problem with Tuffskin. For 10 years, you'd be worry-free of this type of issue. So I'm wiping the lemon juice and red wine away from the Tuffskin protected piece. And as you can see, there's no effect at all. The beauty of Tuffskin is it can be applied to any surface. You just saw an example of the benefit that it had to applying it to marble. You can also apply it to granite, solid surface, any other surface you can think of. The install that we're doing today will happen to be applied to quartz. And it's not necessarily to control a staining or etching issue. It's more to even out the finish when you have multiple finish issues or the finish is too dull. We have an example here that we've applied to granite. We've put on half of the sample so you can see the dramatic difference that it makes to the granite finish alone. Okay, so stick with us. Like I said, we're going to be doing a live installation today of the Tuffskin Surface Protection. This is on a 2-slab quartz island. It does have many finish issues. We apply this Tuffskin, it's going to be a completely even finish and we're going to make the customer happy. So come along. So the first step that we're doing is cleaning the top very well, scraping it down to get any loose debris off the surface. Make sure that we have a nice clean prep area for Tuffskin to be applied. Next, we're just wiping the whole top down very well, sanitizing it, getting nice and clean and dry with alcohol. And this will get us ready and prepped for applying our Tuffskin. Okay, so now we've applied the Tuffskin. We put water on the surface first and on the Tuffskin itself. Allows us to move the product around a little bit. Now we're just squeegeeing all that water out from underneath and setting the product so it's fixed permanently. Okay, so our Tuffskin Surface Protection has been applied to this 2-slab island. You can see the dramatic difference in the finish. We have no more high and low spots and blotchy finish. And for 10 years, they're gonna have a nice even finish. The only thing we have left to do at this point is to trim up the edges and we're all finished. Thanks for coming along with us today on this Tuffskin install. As you can see, the dramatic difference in the finish issue on this quartz top. The customer's very happy, and another successful job.